Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you how you can apply for a permit in Lakshadweep. So you come to this website called epermit.utl.gov.in. So this is the website that you need for e-permit, online entry permit system to Lakshadweep. So here you can come here and click on the sign up button. So after you click on the sign up button, you will be directed to this page where you have to put the name, email, mobile. After entering the mobile number, you just have to get the OTP, and that number you have to put it here. You can set a password, then you can put in the captcha value. You can click on register. So once you confirm the email, you will be able to log in. Here you will be able to log in because you already have the mobile number which is verified. So you will be going to the screen again and logging in. So after you log in, you will be in the home page. So here they have mentioned few things. Please book tickets and make other arrangements only after confirmation. Receipt of entry permit. Approval of entry permit shall be subject to fulfillment of various statutory requirements and the island carrying capacity of the island for which permit is being applied. Providing wrong information, falsified information shall be punishable as per the extent of laws. So now if you come here, if you click on the entire process, how to apply, you create a user, log into portal, then you click on permit, apply for new permit. Then you can select purpose of the visit, fill up the application, scan and upload the appropriate documents, pay the entry permit fee and click on submit. So what all documents are required? So for visit permit, you will need identity proof, that is your passport or must Aadhaar or voter ID or driving license, passport size photo, PCC, that is your police clearance certificate. This depends on various state. Based on that, you will have to get it from a local police station. Some of the states like Kerala have option to get it online also. So it is also known as non-involvement in any offense certificate. A declaration of the sponsor, that is the host, wherever you're planning to stay in Lakshadweep. Now, if you look at the fee details, the application fee is ₹50 for each applicant, and the heritage fee is 100 for children and aged 12 to 18. For individuals above 18, the heritage fee is ₹200. So around ₹250 is the cost. So we'll look at how you can apply. You click on permit, and here you see various options: apply for new permit, download permit, renewal of the permit, extension to other islands. You can track, you can check the payment status, you can check your history. Now I will say apply for new permit. So the moment I say apply for new permit, I should have all the documents that I need. So it is asking purpose of visit. So as department guest, business representative, for skilled workers, laborer for Department of Work, on LTC, on official duty, other, political leader, professional visit, advocate, service engineer, to visit friends. So you have various options that has been mentioned here. You can choose the appropriate option. Now this is the ration card number of the sponsor, whoever is sponsoring your trip. Then proposed stay from. So this is your from date and this is your to date, and this is the name of the sponsor or department, the gender, address of the sponsor, then file reference number of sponsoring letter obtained. This is your file reference number of the sponsoring letter that is obtained, and date of sponsoring letter. Now here you can upload. Sponsoring letter must be in the PDF format and file size should not exceed. So upload your sponsoring letter obtained. So this you can obtain from various travel agencies who will be sponsoring your trip. So if you take a tour package with them or if you book hotels with them, you can get this. Now you can put in, select islands you plan to visit. So these are the various islands in Lakshadweep. Then you can click on it and click on next. So it will take you to the next page where you can fill in the further details and you can get permit. So that is the basic overview of how to apply for Lakshadweep permit. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.